Welcome to Bar 10 Talk, 10 things to know before the first day of law school. Let's get right into it. Number 1, virtually every law school will not waste a single day, meaning on day 1, you'd better be ready to jump right into things. You'll usually be required to do reading and be prepared by having reviewed cases and having some knowledge of the cases in the assigned reading. Don't forget to watch our video on outlining and briefing to help you with this, as well as our video on how to read a case. Number 2, law school is generally a place where the best and brightest from the country's undergraduate institutions go. Many students were the best at their undergraduate schools and find themselves unable to handle the pressure of now simply being one of many. Most of the people you'll meet will be extremely intelligent and have amazing backgrounds. Take advantage of it, enjoy it, most of all, check your ego at the door. Number 3, statistically, it'll be close to impossible to get all A's in all of your classes, especially if they're graded on a curve. In essence, the law school curve ensures that only the top 2% or so of students in any given class receive A's. Number 4, the Socratic Method, named after the philosopher Socrates, or from the Bill and Ted movies if you prefer. This is quite possibly the scariest part of law school. The Socratic Method is based on the idea that students already know the information, and the teacher's job is simply to pull the answer from the student. As a result, professors will have lengthy question sessions with one single student, which we call the hot seat. That student will be drilled not only about a case they read, but the facts and the scenario will be repeatedly changed, and you'll be asked to analyze the new information. In short, get very familiar with our old buddy Socrates. You'll curse his name often enough as your first year progresses. Number 5, you should help out your law school classmates if they ask you to. Why? Karma. The next time you need notes from class or help studying for finals, your classmates will remember whether you explained something to them last week or refused to give them notes last month. Number 6, the oldest story in the book is one where study groups have issues with members not holding up their end of the bargain, especially if outlines are divided by class to each member. I would highly suggest not trusting someone else's work for your success. They may mean no harm, but one person's way of taking notes may simply not work for another. Number 7, watch the paper chase. Probably the most realistic portrayal of a law school experience you can find on video. A bit overly dramatized, but it would have to be for entertainment purposes. However, the issues the students face will be all too familiar during your law school experience. The personalities as well. You will in all likelihood meet incarnations of many of the characters from the film during your law school career. Number 8, be prepared to learn a new language. Legalese. All the difficulties of learning a new language will be present here, and you'll be forced to learn to read and write in this new language, not just speak it. Number 9, don't underestimate the amount of time you'll spend in the library. At some point, you may feel guilty you're not paying rent, but trust me, your tuition covers it. Your first year will require a significant amount of time focusing on reading, outlining, and briefing cases. Truthfully, your work in law school is without question front-loaded, and once you get past that first year, it'll feel much less daunting. At some point, you'll even look back and wonder what you were so stressed about in your 1L year. Till then, get a comfortable seat in the library and bring something to munch on. Once you get up and move from your seat, it's likely to be taken by one of your fellow 1Ls. Number 10, you'll be expected to think on your feet, and you'll be expected to handle things you have not read or that is not directly in the facts of the case you read. Don't be afraid not to have an answer when you're asked a question. The purpose of this exercise is simply to help you think on your feet, and everyone else around you is feeling exactly the same way, so don't be intimidated. Thank you for watching Bar 10 Talk. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can be updated every time we upload new content. It's our goal to upload new content every day at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time.